say you just wanted to throw out these calls that I have for you?
Yes, and I'm recording now. May 27th, 2006. No, I want to keep them for Rag.
Oh.
Liam, honey, were you going to try to roll over or just suck on your blanket?
You want to try this for rolling over for me?
What? Liam, yeah. Yeah. Okay, buddy, can you move that book here?
Can I get it?
Move it. In case you want to throw over that way. So, not quite sure which way he's going to want to roll over. Doesn't look like either way right now. Oh, maybe.
He's looking a little sleepy still.
I know it is hard, Liam, when you just wake up. Liam. Buddy.
Why don't we try again later?